All right, everybody, we got a really good one for you today. This is a really cool video for two reasons. I'll tell you why. One, this is a dynamite gift for Christmas, because if you guys have a builder or any kids that like Legos or anything like that, this is totally going to be their jam. And then two, just thank me, because all you got to do is put this video in front of your kid. You're going to get 3 minutes apiece, guaranteed. I'm going to let my son take it away. All right? Let's do it!
Hi guys, my name is Dominic, and we're going to build something epic today. We're going to build a car. Isn't that so cool, guys? Let's get to it.
He's so delicious. I love it. I didn't even tell him to say that. All right, go ahead. All right, so Dom, is it easy to read the instructions?
Well, I'm not going to read these. I'm just going to build them.
Is it easy to build it based on the pictures?
Yes. I'm calling in my assistant.
Who's your assistant?
My dad.
Gotta get this in.
How did we not think about it? You can do it.
All right, you got the rest. Good boy.
What are your favorite kinds of toys?
Bakugan and just Pokemon cards. I like toys that I can build.
Yeah?
Like this one.
Assistant. Yeah, put that one on. Put it up.
Hey, I think we finished it. Fee, you want to go test it out? Let's go. I hope you guys like my video. TUBELOX rocks. Thumbs up. Bye. Merry Christmas to everyone.